Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize your store theme in Shopify. So firstly, go to admin page and go to the online store and click on themes, then click on customize over here. Now you are inside your theme editor where you have multiple options to change practically everything in your website, from image, text, from columns to collapsible content, or even email and sign up option over here. And you can also customize from multiple pages, like this was the home page. Now you can customize for product page by choosing products. Then over here you will have more customization options like title, button type, email sign up, collapsible content again, headers, announcement bars, and etc. And you can do this for multiple pages. So that's how you can customize your theme in Shopify in the general way. Now let me show you another way how you can do that. So for doing that, just simply go back. Now if you scroll down, you will find there are multiple themes over here as well, which are completely free. So if you want to add a theme from here, you can just simply click add, or if you want to browse some themes, just simply click on visit theme store. And over here you will find multiple themes which are already built for you to use. So what I'm going to do is just simply choose a free theme for the tutorial, then I will just simply add it. For example, I will choose this theme, click on that, and then click on try theme. Then within few seconds it will add to my collection of themes in my Shopify store. So as you can see, it is now adding. So give it a few seconds. After it is added, just simply click publish. Now if you want to make changes in this particular store, just simply click customize, and then you can make changes in that particular store as well. That's how you can customize your theme in Shopify. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.